About 7 seconds. 36 looks good on the long side. I'm liking 69. We did get along. The revision's not too bad. Revision's not too bad. So we're getting a push up. As you can see, it broke our 36 level. If we start to see a pullback, we will take some profit. It's holding steady. If it pulls back below 36, let's take some profit. As long as it stays up, though, we're going to hold this trade. These are pretty good numbers here. This number here is actually a really good supporting number. Keep in mind we have already seen our 30-point move, though. We've already moved about 35 points, in fact. So if we see this thing drop back down, we could expect that this could be the extent of the move. So be prepared to close out. It looks like it's coming down. You're going to want to take some of your profits. Make sure you take some of your profits. All right, I'm going to suggest close down the majority of your trade. If you're going to leave some, leave a very small amount. For the most part, you're going to want to close down the majority of your trade at this point. And we're going to continue to monitor this and see if it can get another drive up, another push up. It's trying. Hasn't made up its mind just yet. Again, for the most part, yeah, 30 pips good. Under 5 seconds, great. Yep, like I said, you should be out of the majority of your position now. I have one small position left on one of the accounts. It looks like it's fallen back. It can't quite make up its mind. Still holding a portion. Still holding a portion. Starting to push back up now. Looks like the spread finally came back to a reasonable spread. All right, at this point, this market could continue. This could continue to run. But my suggestion would be to close down all but just a small portion of your trade, an amount that's not gonna take it's not gonna hurt you. I'm actually gonna close all but a few, and we're gonna just let this thing run. If it comes back and stops us out, I'm gonna let it come back and stop us out in profit. I'm gonna say 429 is pretty good support. So I think if we leave, let's see, if we leave our stop below 29, we should be okay. I'll probably hold this. Let's go over to a larger compression and we'll look at this. We're breaking the highs now, the intermediate highs of around 42. Our next target is 74. If I see 74, my suggestion would probably be to go ahead and just take your trade, close it out, take your money. Yeah, we're still holding. I've got a small portion of this trade left. Only 7 lots left in this trade. All right, once this reaches 74, a good plan is just to go ahead and close out the remainder of the trade. Yeah, this thing's pushing on up to the 74 level. Still in this, again, 74, as you can see, is still a pretty good target. And the market's just missed it by a few points, by 2 pips, and it's fallen off a bit now. But again, 74 is a pretty good target to trade to.